Hi everyone, Bryce Weiler with the Beautiful Lives Project, here with my good friend Dwight and his family. They're going to be instructing me on the proper folding and then throwing of a paper airplane. First experience ever throwing and folding a paper airplane. We'll see if this goes any better than the golf cart driving fiasco from a few weeks ago, if some of you watched that video. So now the participants for this event are going to introduce themselves. Who's first?
Hello, I'm Dwight Merritt. We want to welcome Bryce to our house today. He came and had dinner with us and he ate 3 cheeseburgers. He was very hungry tonight. My 2 kids are going to introduce themselves and then they're going to show Bryce and help him make a paper airplane.
My name's Gabby. My name's Drew.
And Drew will be the master paper airplane craftsman this evening with some assistance from Gabby. All right, Drew, tell me where to fold,
So
please.
you're gonna put it in your middle right here, and then fold it over, and get the other side, fold it down, and stop.
And then
Push it
crease
down.
right there. Yeah. All right.
And then you're going to open it back up, and then you're
It's
going
open.
to fold it down
From the top.
over here on the other side, and then fold
Wait,
it down.
From the corner to the corner, or what am I doing? I'm confused.
To the thing
Oh.
to the side.
Slightly bend the corner a little bit, and then crease it right there.
Yeah.
All right.
And then you're going to do the same thing.
How do you know how far to crease it? Is there some line that you're having me crease it to, or what? Or
There's
do you just
some
know?
line.
So fold, or
Crease it.
yeah,
Crease it. And then fold it.
from the bottom to the top.
No,
No.
up to the right side to the left side.
So that side to that side.
Yeah.
So the entire right side to the entire left side. Okay. And then crease
And then
right there.
pull it down.
Pull the top down.
No, like side. Here. Pull it down a little.
I have no idea what you want me to do.
Like side. Pull it down like that.
Okay.
Then crease it. Keep that right
Like all the way down, or just like
there.
so down there too?
Right here. No, you can just do it right here.
So it's fine how it is, or it's not fine?
It's fine.
Okay.
You need to do it on the other.
Oh, you told me not to do that side, so I wasn't doing it down there. Now you say do it
Fold it
all.
on to the other side, and then do the same thing. Fold it down over to the other side.
What, that way?
The other
I
side.
don't know. There's so many
Right here.
sides.
And fold it down.
And crease it all the way down from there to there? Okay.
Yeah. And then on the back corner right here, you'll fold it up. Right
That-
there.
that way?
And then crease it.
Right there?
Yeah,
Okay.
Then same thing on the other side, flip it over. And on this side, flip it over. Turn it around. Right, then it's over here. Fold that little corner up.
That way?
No, fold it.
Like
Like-
that way? I don't
no.
know. Show me.
You like put your hand like that and then pull it up like.
You crease it like
And
backwards,
crease
I
it?
guess. Yeah.
And then hold it up.
Wait, now hold it up? Or wait a second.
Hold it. Right. Okay. Now you can hold it up.
Can you make sure that I'm holding it properly?
Okay. And that.
Okay, Bryce, so throw it to my voice.
All right.
Hold on
Hold
one
on,
second.
the
Wait a
camera.
second. 3, 2, 1, throw it to where I am. There you go, Bryce.
That
Throw
wasn't a
it
very
one more
good
time.
paper airplane throw.
Throw it one more time. Throw it there and let it go like this.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Ready? Throw it to my voice. There you go.
Woo! Oh, it spun
All
around.
right, Bryce, you want to do your exit then? You wanna-
So, how many paper airplanes have you constructed, Drew?
Lots. There's a whole bag full.
Probably 29.
A multitude consisting of 29 paper airplanes. So you would consider yourself one of the A+ paper airplane craftsmen. Are you good at making paper airplanes?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'll show
Well,
you one of mine.
I think that was really hard, and I'm really stressed out about paper airplane building. I would rather be driving a golf cart and potentially going into our crate because I don't feel as stressed out. But this has been Bryce Weiler with my friend Dwight and his family, and we just built a paper airplane. Talk to you soon.